morning, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining. This is Derek Wood with SOS Online Backup, one of the partner product managers here at SOS. We are going to wait just a couple more minutes as the rest of the registrants get on board here. Thank you for joining. We're going to get started in about 2 minutes. So thanks for holding, and we'll talk soon. All right, we're going to go ahead and get started again. This is Derek Wood with SOS Online Backup, the partner product manager here at SOS. Today we're going to be going through why getting into our program can be a profitable venture for you and your company. I just want to make sure that everyone's aware that we can use the question function here in GoToMeeting. I'll be stopping periodically as we go through the presentation so we can have some Q&A, and then we'll also end with Q&A for almost as long as you want to go through it. Any questions about the partner program, the service, those sort of items, more than welcome. Feel free. We will be giving out the Kindle code for the Kindle drawing at the end of the webinar, so just after we start the QA. And then once you get that Kindle code, go ahead and call in to the sales office, which will put the number up, and then you give the Kindle code, and then the winner will be announced in the next week. So again, thank you for all coming on board here. Let's go ahead and get started. So I just want to do a quick overview of where SOS has come from. So we were founded in 2001 in Melbourne, Australia. And for the first 4 years, it was a rather small operation. It wasn't until about 2005 that we launched really our international operation, starting in the U.S. And from 2006 and up to date, we have been awarded PCMag's Editor's Choice Award. So we're very excited about that. It's something that we've always maintained is what's kept us around the industry, even despite having a very small operation to begin with, and why we've continued to see growth and success over the last 5-6 years. Well, we actually just relocated our headquarters last summer to Los Angeles, California, and we just moved offices to a much bigger facility in El Segundo. So we're very excited to see the continued growth and expansion of our company and especially our partner programs. And hopefully some of you will find a good fit here after speaking with our partner specialists and finding a program that best meets your needs so that this will be a profitable venture for both sides. So we do have a team of partner specialists that you can consult with. They're going to make sure that this is the right program for you, that it's appropriate for your business, and that it's going to fit in with what you're currently offering. We do have partner programs that include a wide variety of business models and plans. We have web hosts, web designers, IT service providers, break fix, retail break fix, We even have some accounting firms and some law firms that offer backup of the legal and financial data that they're working on with their customers. So you can really see that there is a great flexibility in our partner programs, and really to find the one that's going to best meet your needs, our partner specialists will be there to help you out. So where the partner program came from, a little background on that. Originally, we were focused on large, what we call OEM relationships, so doing custom engineering work and development work with development teams from our partners. So big companies like Bitdefender, Webroot, Online Backup for Dummies, Kingston, etc. Those types of relationships is what really pushed the business forward in the early days. 2005, 2006, we started playing around with some affiliate programs, and what we saw was a moderate growth in our partnerships, but we really didn't like the relationship we had with our affiliates, and we really wanted to find a way to scale the strategic relationship we had with our OEM partners down to a level at the mid-market. So what we've done is we've constantly massaged and changed our partner program over the last few years. And actually by 2009, we had launched what we regard now as the Tier 1 white label wholesale program. Within 8 months of the launch of that program, we actually more than doubled our channel membership and grew revenue so dramatically, and our business grew so dramatically that's actually what led to the relocation of our company. So we're really proud of this partner program, where it's taken us, and we look forward to seeing it grow further with you all. So where SOS is positioned in the market, we're right in a sweet spot where we can hit the consumer market, but we really specialize in the small and medium business market. The reason we specialize in this area is because we carry such a high level of security along with the service. This is a very, quote-unquote hardcore backup solution that includes various levels or multiple levels of encryption, geographic redundancy when it comes to where your data is being held in our data centers. We have one of the largest footprints of data centers that are used for backup in the market today. And we also have a number of tools that are coming out and have come out this last year that push us more and more into that enterprise realm. So as we talk about it more and how you position the service, we see that SOS really is quite a flexible fit, which is why we have such a wide array of partners and coming from all walks and have all sorts of business models, is because we fit in so many different areas so well. To quote PC Mag, SOS makes the process of restoration both simple and secure. And for those of you familiar with security, security is often something that diminishes the simplicity of the situation. When it comes to our end of development, certainly that's the case. When it comes to the user experience, the administrative experience, security does not hinder the simplicity of the system. And simplicity is a large part of security, which is why we hold security and simplicity in such high regard when we're focused on developing new feature sets and new designs. Just to take a step back and kind of go through the market, online backup is a very large market, rapidly growing. It was estimated a few years ago that we start to see online backup kind of level out around 2011. And really that's been somewhat true in the consumer market, but still not so much. Their growth has continued. It hasn't really slowed down, even in the commodity market. And we've actually seen a ramp up and an acceleration in business when it comes to the business level backup solution. So when you are going out to your businesses and you're providing a managed backup solution, online backup, of course, being a part of that, has been a very new push to the business market. So really the expectations set by early projections have been, fortunately and pleasantly, under what we've gone. And we even actually saw that ourselves in this last year. Reports came out. We actually overshot our projected revenue earnings by close to close to 20%. So even we had projections under what, or we actually had performance over what we expected. So the online backup is not a closed market. There's a lot of talk about this being a very saturated space. When it comes to the commodity market, dealing with consumers, people who are strictly price point based in their decision making, yes, of course, no one wants to be competing in a commodity market, because then you compete with some giants like Carbonites and the Mojis of the world, which honestly can afford to take a loss on the first year or years of sale, and they count on that renewal. So where we found the real sweet spot is right here in the mid-market level, where we can provide a level of service behind just the software that really brings together a full backup solution, rather than just a simple tool that can be used and is really only as valuable as it's being used, and who's administering it and who's qualified to use it. So what we've done in this mid-market level, and as we scaled down our OEM relationships, is we kept the branding in place, because we find that really it's about how are things being administered and managed that gives them value. So we specialize in a rebranded wholesale program. The rebrand that we are performing is not just a stick your logo here, hit build button. We do have a full partner team that you can consult with when it comes to the administration part of the software and the service, as well as a full team that you can contact at any point during your project. So when you come and you talk to our partner specialist, we find the plan that fits for you. We start your rebranding project. During the project, there are any number of people that you can contact. There are one single distribution list that hits a team of 7. Some of these are designers, some of these are junior software engineers, and then of course you have the main operations contact who will be able to answer any questions, give you status updates, etc. Our designers are full-time, they're in-house, and they will take your logo, your website, and anything else you'd like us to reference, and really design a user interface that is familiar to the user as being related to your company, and really pulls off that branding aspect of it, get you that desktop presence, that additional touch to your customers. Because again, with better managed services, one of the issues is less face time with the customer. So one of the things that you have to do as you move into